doing this question now, we have this multiple choice question. Multiple choice are fun because you can easily eliminate, right? But then it's math, so there is not nothing much to eliminate. Let's see. A cube has an edge length of 68 inches. Let's make a cube here. This 68 inches. Okay. Then a solid sphere with radius 34 inches is inside the cube, such that sphere touches the center of each face of the cube. The nearest cubic inch, what is the volume of space in the cube not taken up by the sphere? So actually this is pretty simple to find. You know why? Because the easiest thing to do here is first find the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is L cube, right? And volume of a sphere is, what's the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 by R cube. Is it? So volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now to find the nearest cubic inch, what did you say to the nearest cubic inch? Because pi has a value of irrational value, like 1415 and something. So that means we have to round it off as well. So as we know, sphere fits inside the cube. Of course, its volume is less than the volume of the cube. That means if we subtract the volume of sphere from the volume of the cube, we will have our answer, right? Because we needed the volume of space in the cube not taken up. It's underlined, so not taken up. So L cube is actually, it's going to be 68 cube. That's going to be 314432 minus 4 by 3 into pi into 34 cube. 34 cube. That's 39304. So subtracting this, we have 314432 minus 4 over 3 times pi times 39304. So right. Hmm. Sorry, I just put the wrong value at 39304. Okay, so this, subtracting these, we have 149,795.789. So to the nearest cubic inch, that's gonna be actually 149,796, because we round it off, right? So 5 becomes 6. So if, let's see if this matches any of the options, and yeah, it matches option A. The answer is option A. So I also think there's nothing to be afraid of, nothing to think. This was just extra thing, so you don't need to notice this, you don't need to think about it. Just subtract those volumes and then you have your answer.